Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start inside the YouTube app. Open the exact video you need. Once the video loads, tap the three-dot menu or overflow icon near the title. That's where YouTube hides extra tools. If you don't see it, make sure the app is updated, then reopen the video. Tap Show Transcript or the matching option. This reveals the time transcript pane. You'll now have text synced to the video and can begin searching, copying, or following along. Once the transcript pane is visible, scroll to find sections relevant to you. Tapping any line jumps the video to that timestamp immediately. If you want a specific quote, long press the text to select and copy it, then paste into Notes or another app. To find keywords quickly, use your phone's Find in Page or the transcript search field if present. Make sure to check for auto-generated labels. Those may need quick editing for accuracy before you reuse them. Finalize by saving or sharing the lines you copied. Paste into a note, email, or chat app. If you prefer live captions while watching, toggle the CC button in the player. Captions follow the transcript closely. If you can't find a transcript, make sure the app is updated, try the video in a mobile browser, or open YouTube on desktop for the transcript view. If automatic captions are wrong, correct the text manually before sharing to avoid propagation of error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.